Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Painters with Mike, and today we've been shopping at the range again. This one came via delivery because it was too big and I couldn't be bothered to carry it, so I got it on delivery. And it is not a diamond paint related, but it's a pillow. I just had to show you. Look how gorgeous this is from the range. Look at that. It is a crab pillow. Like, that is absolutely... I can't get over it. I just had to have it. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous blue, really quite plumped, and it's got these lovely sort of like dots around it, and I just fell in love with it and I had to have it. So as you can see here, it's from a company called Devante, and they sell it in the range, and I was like, I've so got to have that. So they do a bunny rabbit one as well, but I'm definitely going to get another one of these if they still have it in stock, because I just absolutely loved it. It's got all the blue piping going around the edge here in like a rope effect, and it's just a really beautiful, gorgeous pillow. So that's my first thing that I got. Now the next thing that I got will be very, very exciting to show you, and I've had this for a couple of weeks now, but I've only just got round to filming it. I've been Christmas shopping, guys. I couldn't resist. It was online. I've been having a look online and I got this. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's a 30 times 30, and they say over 3,300, but this is a partial. You can quite clearly see that, and there's definitely not over 3,300 crystals, I can guarantee that. But I just love it. It's a partial, and you've got the Christmas tree going up. You've got a bit on the fireplace with the flowers. Let's take a look and get into it and see what we've got inside. So as you can see, you get all your bits and bobs as usual, with your tray, your crystals in colour, crystal storage bag. I'm going to get my craft knife on this, I think, because it's taken a bit to open there. And we'll see how it looks in all its glamour in here. I absolutely love this, and I just, oh wow, yeah, rhinestones. This is gonna be a good one. Look at that gorgeous screen, and let's take a look at the actual picture itself. Oh wow, it's very dull looking, I'll give you that, but as you can see, this is pretty much a partial. You've got the tree going on up here. You've got a couple of, I think they're probably poinsettias there, on the flowers, even down to the little, oh, what do they call them? Pine cones. And they've done the actual candles for you as well. And not only have they done the candles, they've actually diamond painted the candle for you as well. You've got the garland there with the little red rose. You've got a couple of Christmas stockings, even down to the fireplaces, all drilled and stuff. And as you can see, there is a partial as well. You've got some of the logs here perhaps, and the fireplace, even down to the little guard there, and the gorgeous Christmas tree up here with all the different baubles and the rose, sorry, the bows, not the rose. And this bauble's quite nice because it's got like a little dangly tassel thing, and you've got like miniature trees and snowflakes. Then we get down to all the presents on Christmas Day. They're all going to be beautifully done in them green drills. And then we've got like, I think there's like some sort of rug thing going on. And then, quite bizarrely, we've got a basket here full of the logs ready for the fire. So I just had to have that. It's absolutely gorgeous and a nice one for Christmas. I'm really hoping that this one gives us a lot more better time than we did on that Christmas lodge, because that Christmas lodge was a pain to deal with, trying to finish that, and I still won't finish that, but I just had to get it because it's one of them paintings, if you don't grab it now, you're gonna miss the opportunity to get it, you know. So let's get into the actual crystals as well and see what we got in here, which looks absolutely gorgeous. See that green? That is what I'm telling you guys, that is what I love about it. Again, it's that horrible tape that they keep putting on. I don't really like the idea of peeling that off, so I'm going to do it a different way this time. We'll get the drills out here and just give it a small incision there. And then what we'll do is we'll take this cellophane off. And then, as you can see, the schematics here. Sometimes they do give you a little slip with it on, but for some reason this one doesn't have it. But That's not going to take not long to do, isn't it? What an absolute gorgeous, gorgeous painting that is. So we'll put that to one side for the moment, and we'll take a look at our... with Hinkler Create, you always tend to get like a special shaped pen with the snowflake clay. You got probably a handful of bags there, and your wax, so a really good tray there. And let's take a look at our drills. Oh, they had provided a Shimmetic. Lovely. I did think they did, because Hinkler Create are normally pretty good like that. And as you can see, we've got our Shimmetic here. So it doesn't look like it's DMC coded, so very similar with the works. That's quite a new one on me, because they've put number 1, the symbol code, and then, oh, sorry, the symbol colour, and then they put bag 11111111. I've never seen that before, but anyway, let's put that to one side. We have our gorgeous, this is probably your DMC code there, which is your YB9243. Normally on the paintings they will print it sometimes at the edge here, but it doesn't look like this one has that. But yeah, okay, interesting. So I'm going to assume that that is that coding there, because it's obviously on this coding as well. We've got ourselves the peach and the pink, which looks really gorgeous. And then we get into the real Christmas vibe here. I think I've just seen an AB, I could be wrong. But we've got a cherry red, we've got the beautiful silver tinsel colour here, the dark emerald green, we've got an apricot orange, a very beautiful, stunning minty colour there, and probably a... amber sort of colour, and we've got a brownie colour there, a dark brown, and a sort of like orangey brown there, and what I thought was ABs are actually a standard red drill. So that is our little AB section here. Once again, I think this is going to turn out absolutely gorgeously. I cannot wait to get started on this. Let me know in the comments what you like. Is it this painting, or is it the pillow? I think these are going to turn out absolutely stunning. I mean, the crystals, as I said, with this green that they've used all around, I think the dark green's probably going to be the Christmas tree, and then down here with the minty green, that's probably going to be that colour there. That's what I presume, because it's quite a light green there, but this is absolutely stunning. I absolutely am over the moon with this. Really, really good. I'll just check the stick quickly. Yeah, I think we won't have any sliding issues with this, but if you want to get this for yourself, I'll try and put the link in the description, because these things do get snapped up quick, and I'll put the link for the crab pillow in there as well. Thank you very, very much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, tap that notification bell to be notified of future uploads on the channel, and we'll be whipping and chatting away with this in December. Until then, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.